Hi everyone! My name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Poppers Image Masking Widget to your WooCommerce website. Image masking is a creative way to showcase content in different masked styles, using shapes, text, or custom designs to make your website more unique and visually engaging without taking up too much space. So let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Then click on Websites. After that, click on Add New Website and enter your WooCommerce website link. Once you've added the link, click on Add Website. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard. In the Plugins section, search for the Popper plugin, then install and activate it. After activation, click on Popper from the left sidebar. Then check your email and click on Save Account Email. Now go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets, and after that, click Create New Widget. Now search for Image Masking in the widget library and open it. After that, you'll see the Layout selection screen. Choose a layout according to your preference and the widget editor will open. On the left side, you'll see the Settings panel, and on the right side, you'll see the Live Preview. In the Content tab, you can add your image source, replace the image if needed, change the mask text, and adjust the font size. Once your design looks good, go to the Templates tab. Here you can change the layout style. In the Appearance tab, the settings will vary based on the template you have selected. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After that, copy the installation code and go to your WooCommerce site. Now add a custom HTML block, paste the code inside it, and save your changes. Once your website is live, refresh the page, and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.